Have you had your property taken by the NYPD? Know your rights. You have the right to an invoice, sometimes called a voucher, that says exactly what was taken from you. You have the right to get your property back if it is being held for safekeeping. Bring the invoice and 2 forms of ID to the property clerk's office in the courthouse. ID can include a credit card or a school ID. If your property is not there, it should be at the precinct where you were arrested. If you don't have 2 forms of ID, you can write a letter that lets another person who does have 2 forms of ID pick up your property. You need to get this letter notarized. You have 120 days from the date on the invoice to pick up the property. You have the right to request a release from the district attorney if your property is being held as evidence. If you have an open criminal case, talk to your lawyer about what to do. If your case is over, you can make the request directly to the district attorney, but your lawyer may be able to help speed up the process. You have 120 days from the date your case ends to pick up your arrest evidence property. You have a right to a hearing if your car is taken when you are arrested. The NYPD must give you a form called Notice of Right to Retention Hearing. If you didn't get that notice, tell your lawyer. You might be able to get your car back sooner. You have the right to make a formal demand for your property if it has been marked for forfeiture. Once you've done that, if the NYPD wants you to forfeit your property, they must file a forfeiture case against you in court. If you don't make a formal demand, the property is automatically forfeited.